Hello, year one students. How are you doing today? So I hope all of you are doing great, okay? So let's have our lesson now for science. So the title of the lesson will be in the playground. So this is the second part of our lesson, okay? So let's start. These are the things that you need. So you need the following things, okay? Before you continue this video. First, you need your science learner's book on page 43. Your science skill builder on page 36, pencil and eraser. So make sure kids that every time you will watch or start the video, you should prepare first your things, okay? So what will be the learning objectives? So what do you need to learn before we finish this video or after watching this video? So first, name and describe the movement of familiar things. So we have discussed already movements, right? Next, answer science skills builder. So these are the things that you need to do, okay, or that you need to learn before you or after you watch this video. Okay, so this time kids, I want you to open your science learner's book on page 43. Okay, have you seen this page? Okay, so let's take a look at the kids. So moving around. So go to a playground, okay, but this time, unfortunately, you cannot go to the playground. But instead, later, you can do the action of these kids. Find different ways to move. Okay, let's study the following pictures. So the first picture, what's the girl doing? Okay, what's the action? Swing. Everybody say swing. Okay, I can swing. Can you swing? If you have swing at home, you can do it. Okay? So, swing is also a movement. Okay? Next one, the second one is, what's the boy doing? Run. Okay, run. So, I can run. The word run is also a movement. Can you run? Of course. Okay. How about the third picture? The third picture shows jump. Jump. I can jump. Can you jump? Very good. Okay, so the word jump is also a movement. So when we go up and down, okay, so when we use our feet, okay, so we are jumping. And the fourth picture, look at this one. What's the boy doing? Look. Very good. Turn. Everybody say turn. Okay, I can turn. So, maybe you can play with your mom, with your dad, or maybe with your brother and sister. Tell them how you are moving. So you do the action and let them guess what is your movement or what are you doing, okay? So let's read them once again. I can swing. I can run. I can jump. I can turn. Very good. So swing, run, jump, and turn are actions or movements. Okay? Now I want you to observe this one, this picture on the same page. Okay, what can you see? What can you say about this picture? Okay, so moving in space can be hard. What is this? This girl is an astronaut. Okay, so maybe she is in the space, outer space, or in the spacecraft. How is the astronaut moving? Do you know? Okay, so the astronaut is floating. Okay, floating or maybe flying. Okay, floating or flying. Okay, float, fly. Float and fly are also movement. Okay, so the astronaut in the outer space float because, okay, there is no gravity or there is much less gravity compared to the Earth. Okay, now let's name some of these movements. Okay, name this movement. What is the boy doing? Can you guess? It starts with letter S. 1, 2, 3. What's the word? Very good. The word is slide. Okay, let's go to the next picture. How about this movement? What is the girl doing? Starts with letter W. 1, 2, 3. What's the answer? Correct. The answer is walk. So the girl is walking or walk. See, when we walk, we go from one place to another. It's also called as movement. How about this one? What's the boy doing? Look at his feet. Starts with letter H and only 3 words. What's the boy doing? Very good. Hop. So hop. Okay, very good. Next one. Name this movement. What's the boy doing? Look at him. Look at him, class. What is he doing? Very good. Climb. So climb is also an example of a movement. Very good. You got all the words or the movement correctly. Okay. So you can play at home by doing the movement and let someone in your house to guess what is that movement. Okay. Now for our activity, I want you to get your skill build. Okay, kids, now for our activity, I want you to get your science skill builder. So open your book on page 36. Have you found the page? Okay, so this time we will answer your activity book, okay, or your skill builder book. Now, different ways of moving. So we have studied the pictures that shows different movement. Now, write these words with the right picture. So I will do the first one and I want you to do the rest, okay? Now, this one, this picture, look. What is this girl doing? Is she run? Does she run, jump, swing, or turn? Okay, correct. The correct answer is jump. Okay, now I want you to pause this video. Okay, finish first your workbook and then play it once you have finished your workbook. Okay? Okay, kids, now let's continue answering. Now, how about the second picture? What is the girl doing? What's your answer? Very good. The correct answer is run. How about this one? Look at this one. What is she doing? Okay, swing. Very good. You did a good job. And how about the last one? Look at this girl. What is this girl doing? Very good. Turn. Okay, did you get all the answer? Wait, let me just fix the letters. Okay, the correct answer is turn. Now, did you get all the answers correctly? Okay, which is your favorite way to move? Okay, so this time I want you to choose on your own. Do you like to jump, to run, maybe to swing, or maybe you like to turn? So you have to choose one and write it on this space below, okay? And that's the end of our lesson, kids. So I hope that you learned the name of the different movements, okay? So see you in our next video. Bye, kids!